Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get golden carrots in the secret event game for Grow a Garden 2. So first just open the official Grow a Garden Discord and then just click this link, this food link. But don't worry, I will also put the link in the description so you can access it directly from there. And once you're in, you will see a special event where you can collect golden carrots like this. These are important if you want to participate in the carrot contest and have a chance to win some exciting rewards. So how do you get the golden carrots? One way is by completing simple account tasks on here, such as verify your email, verify your phone, and then connect Discord on here. And you can also earn golden carrots by voting on the items shown in the event, like this. But sorry, my connection is bad, so the picture will not shown on here. So I will just randomly vote on here. In here, you just need to like or dislike for each item that shows on here. I will just randomly vote like this. Like this, you can see it. When you vote, you will automatically receive the golden carrot. For example, like this. Like this. Every vote will give you more golden carrots automatically. And if you are lucky, some votes can even reward you with random seed packs that get sent directly to your in-game mailbox. Just do the vote. Like this, you can see it, you can get the random seed pack. And okay, that's it. Just start collecting as many golden carrots as possible, and then just good luck in the carrot contest. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!